Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go and hit the subscribe button right now so that you will not miss any of my important updates on communication skills. Alright, so by not wasting much time, what we are gonna learn today we are into episode number 7. Yes, guys, we are into day 7 of pronunciation series. Now that we have learned how to stress two syllable words and how to stress compound words. So today what we are going to learn is, are you excited by the way? I am super excited. Today we are going to learn how to stress words in a sentences. Yes guys, you heard that right. How to stress words in a sentences. Let's learn how to do that. Of pronunciation series topic is sentence stress. Let's see how many sentences we have. 10 sentences we have, by the way. Let's learn one by one. The first sentence is, I want to go to the park. Yes, I want to go to the park. You need to stress the words whichever visible in capital letters, right? Whichever are there in the capital letters, those words you need to stress. Second sentence, she can't come today. She can't come today. She can't come today. I hope you got that. Let's learn third sentence. Here we go. He did not do it. He did not do it. He did not do it. All right. I hope you are doing that with me. Yes, let's go to fourth sentence. They are leaving tomorrow. 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 Okay? Okay? And fifth sentence is, we need to talk about this. We need to talk about this. We need to talk about this. Step number sixth sentence is, she bought a new car. 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 Seventh sentence is, I really like this place. 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 Yep. So let's learn eighth sentence. Here we go. It's time to eat now. 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 Sentence 8 says, they aren't here anymore. They aren't here anymore. They aren't here anymore. Finally, we are into 10th sentence. What it says is, he never works on Sundays. Me too, guys. Do you work on Sundays? Let me know in the comments. He never works on Sundays. 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 Yep, that's all for the day. I hope you got that. Please take a screenshot of this and do your voice recording exercise. Okay, that's your assignment for the day. Until then, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends whom are looking to elevate their command over communication and pronunciation skills, guys. And don't forget to follow me on WhatsApp group, which I'm posting the link in the comments and the description box for you guys. I opened one new WhatsApp channel, which is nothing but the name is Neha's English Nuggets, where we are posting every day one vocabulary tip and communication tip. And the interesting part is we are learning through the polls. Yes, guys, there are so many interactive polls on that group, so you can go and learn from it. All right, so don't forget to follow that WhatsApp group. I'll see you in. Until then, bye bye, take care, happy learning.